Today we are traveling furthermore into the East Coast so we can scout some areas and go look at some potential homes and neighborhoods that we've been kind of looking at through the internet. So we're pretty excited. It's going to take us a few hours to get there. So we are on the way. So I will keep you guys posted of our journey. And we got the little ones in the bag. So far it's been a good trip. Hasn't been too bad, right? Hasn't been too bad. We stayed in a hotel last night just so we can be rested and refreshed for today, so we can have a nice full day of being out and about and seeing basically where we'd like to live, right? So today we are traveling a couple of hours, more than a couple of hours, but a few hours north. We are still driving and I got my pink drink. So one of my very good friends got me a Starbucks gift card, so which was perfect because for my birthday, by the way. So I'm able to get my daily pink drinks and be nice and motivated in a week. Oh, there's a ski resort in this area. So the way I order my pink drink is no ice, no inclusions, which is the fruit that they put in it, like the strawberries. I don't like those because they tend to be all soggy. And extra refresher base. And this is the grande. So I am nice and wired. So we found the Ballinger model. Cute and small, but Columbia. This is the Columbia.
Some lots that probably haven't sold yet.
Alright, these are some lots over here that hopefully we can maybe get our hands on one of them. Hopefully, because this place looks like it's just selling out. And here, the house is still being built. The guy's hard at work. All this other construction stuff.
And obviously they haven't finished paving the road. You see, they sold this one. There's another lot right here. So they've got some other lots.
All right, so this is one of the areas of commerce about a few miles away from where we will be potentially living. So we have Little Caesars, a Dollar Tree, we have the Advanced Auto Parts, we also have, what's down there, a gas station, some medical facilities. We have a McDonald's and a Taco Bell. We're actually at the parking lot. And then we have the Walmart here. And yeah, we have a few Mexican restaurants in that little plaza right there. A sushi place, a spa place. Excited. Hey, Popeyes. Guys, this is a little bit more than what we have where we live now. So this is actually pretty darn good. Right now it's rush hour. So I will update you in a few minutes. Look, they're selling gazebos. That'd be nice to have. All right, so we have another Mexican place here called Fiesta Tapatia. So that's exciting. I like Mexican food.
We can get out of this. So.
All right, so I think this is the main road that takes us back to the houses.
Yes. So we're in traffic hour. So
This is rush hour.
rush hour. Yep. So they're developing a lot. They're doing a lot here, man. They're developing places left and right.
Nice homes. Oh, look at the goats. Look at the goats. You missed it. So we just turned into, so it's at 5 minutes.
Yep, 5 minutes.
So it's 5 minutes from the Walmart Plaza.
Not yet. We're still not there yet.
Okay, yeah, but we just turned off that main road into what's going to be potentially a home. So this is the drive. This looks so pretty. I can imagine it's going to look nicer in the summer with all the greenery.
Here's the.
Oh God, there's a little tunnel, which
That's 81.
that's easy. Look at this scenery. This looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice coming out. I didn't see this going the opposite way. This is nice. I'm actually going slow on purpose. But I love this when you drive into a community and then it has all the trees hugging the homes. Okay, so now this is the actual entrance of the lakes. We'll call it the lakes, okay? Because yeah, it is actually not bad. And that traffic is rush hour, but that traffic was moving pretty damn fast.
If you live at the very edge, then it'll be like
But you know,
10 minutes.
the great thing about it is that that's almost
I'm
like
excited.
almost like the same time that we have at home.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's kind of weird. It
actually.
feels
And
way
then
longer.
here it is.
And here it is. We are on Weaver Lane. And obviously, if we go straight ahead, that's where the leasing office is. Should I
Go
turn
straight
off
ahead.
anyone? Straight.
Yep.
All right. But either we'll be having to turn this way or that way if we pick a home from here, right?
Yep.
Because this is where, unless they do something on this way. This is so cute. I like this. I did see a kids' playground around here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it right there. Okay.
Yep.
Wait,
That's
where?
good.
Oh, I
They're
see.
going to have a lake here. You can show that. They're going to have a lake here, which is going to be nice. Oh my God, the photography that I can take here. So this is a roundabout. And
Show the
I
littles.
guess-
Yeah.
Should I go that way?
No, because-
No, there's nothing there.
And these are the model.
Look, we can bring the kids here.
Oh, they're the model homes over there. Let's drive by them. You didn't drive by those. And this is little city outside.
Look at this. Once people start moving in here, they're done. That's a whole city.
Mm-hmm.
That's more people than I've seen in a long time. You said these are the model homes?
Yep, model homes are up here.
Why people living in them?
Well, it says Ryan Model Home. So the ones that say Ryan Model Home is the model home.
Okay, yeah.
And then they
So
live
this
on
is probably
those.
what we're gonna see tomorrow when we come for our appointment.
That's
We're
one
gonna
of the
look at
homes. And
homes.
that's the Columbia.
This is the Columbia, Quito. Look at it right there. It says it for us. We didn't come here before. Hi. Look at it right there. So this model is called the Columbia. All right, we're back. I zoomed out and I brightened up the colors a little bit. But this one is called the Columbia model. And this is not really the one that we want, but look at how nice it looks. They're brand new constructions, 2-car garage. I mean, the works. Look at that porch. And look at the, what do you call that? The curb appeal.
Oh, the curb appeal is
There are
beautiful.
sidewalks here, guys. We don't have sidewalks where we live. This is a luxury. All right, I'm gonna move a little bit up to see. Okay, so it seems like these are all the Columbia, because this is another Columbia model. That's somebody's home. This is a Columbia?
Possibly, probably all of these are Columbias.
Do they all look the same?
Pretty much, yeah.
This one looks a little bit different. Okay. Quito, can you point out the Hudson?
Oh, the
No, it's,
Hudson.
well, let's look for the model home. It should be in this area.
The Hudson, isn't it?
I don't know.
That is the Hudson.
That was the Hudson, you
Yeah, the
think?
black one. The full black
How about this one? This one is the Hudson too, right?
Yeah.
one. This one
Guys,
is the Columbia right here.
Oh, it is Columbia because of all the 5 windows.
so which one is the
I don't know,
Hudson?
we'll
That
find
one's the
out.
Hudson, right next to it.
You sure?
Yep. I'm
Okay.
like 90% sure.
We are. I'm sorry. Guys, this is the one I want. This one, I believe that's called the Hudson model. It's a 4.3 and it's very big and spacious on the inside. I have a question for you. Is this the Hudson model? It is? Okay, because we're going to see one tomorrow and we have an appointment. So we're just scoping out the area because we want to get a home here. Yeah, so we really like the Hudson. We also like the Ballinger.
How's the community?
How's the community? Do you guys like it? Sorry, Tuck. Okay. Okay. All right.
Good deal. Well, I appreciate your time, man.
Yeah, thank you so much. We're just like so excited. We're like, we want to see a house already. This is the Ballinger house, which is a bit smaller in square footage from the Columbia, but it's still 4-bedroom and 3-bath. They are beautiful inside. I mean, I haven't seen it. I've only seen it through the online
Videos.
through the internet and the videos. But yeah, this is another potential one. So yeah, I'll be happy with either or.
So it's a little place. I mean, this same builder, they have an HOA, which means that you cannot have broken down vehicles in front of the house. You can have your yard looking dirty. You can't have any garbage laying around. So basically, you know, you have to keep your house at 100% up to date, and it has to be always looking nice. Grass cannot be too long. And
Snickers Street, Snickers Court.
one thing I would want to talk to them about in regards to the,
Look at this little city.
and to the regards to the, whatchamacallit, baby?
Watch where you're.
I know. When it, oh, the garden, the, you know, sod and all that stuff. I can only assume that they include that in there, but we need to talk about like little garden. Do they create, do they put the
Right,
garden?
do they do that? Yeah. I think
Yeah,
they do
why
it and then you have to maintain it. Or they could maintain it for you for a fee, of course.
So now there's a little park over there, and there's a little pavilion,
That's gonna be something.
and there's a little dog park there.
Oh yeah.
Is that what that is? A
Yep,
dog park?
dog
Probably
park.
gonna be a
That's
dog
cool.
And pretty
Over
much,
there, I think there's some courts
yep,
There's basketball courts?
at the very end. You see, with the black fence.
yep. Fenced-in basketball courts.
So we're going to be eating dinner at this restaurant. We're going to try it out. It's like 5 minutes from our potential home. How cool is this? Allison, where are we? It looks like a little amusement park in here. Look how beautiful. Very colorful. Look at this. It is Thursday morning. We are currently at the hotel and I just got ready. We are going to go view new homes that we really want to look at, that we would really love to live in. It's a beautiful neighborhood. We were scouting yesterday. We loved it. So we're really excited, fingers crossed, that we get the home that we want, that everything goes smoothly. This is just a quick update. We're still in the hotel room. We're about to check out and we're gonna go to our first appointment to see actual, you know, new build houses. Like these are brand new houses that no one has ever lived in before. We even have options of building our own. I don't know if this will be our forever home. It is in a community. Anyways, yes guys, wish us luck. I am more excited than I am nervous. We've only seen the houses online this whole time, so super exciting. Good vibes, good vibes. Give me all your good vibes. So anyway, yeah, I guess I will start vlogging when we get there. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.